Okay, line 26. Line 26. We can do this together. Absarahum. Their home. Hamzah dengan alif. Plural. And basara is, the root is basara, which means see. See. So this one is verbal noun basar, which means sight, and the plural is absar, so sight. It's plural, but when you translate, you just say that sight. Kullama. Kullu is every, but when dia macam inna is indeed. When it adds with innama, it becomes it becomes only innama. Yeah, kullama is every time, setiap kali. So what's the previous one? Yakad, okay. The lightning almost snatches their sight every time. Okay, whenever. Okay, whenever. So you add to your word hacker particle kullama, whenever. Okay, it's not really a particle, but to just simplify things, you just put it there, kullama. Okay. Because when you go further, you will know that kullu is a rooted word whose root is kaf lam lam, which means all, setiap, every. Okay. Al-da'a, we saw this before. No. Kindle is tawqada. Al-da'a, yours, right? The A, right? The A is a past tense here. So the root is dot alif hamzah, which means illuminate or lighted. Okay, illuminated. Lahum, for them, right? For them. Mashaw fihi, wa alif is suffix, which means they. Okay, past or present? Past, because no anita. Okay, but you are left with how many roots? Two roots, which means add one more, either wow or ya. Wow or ya. Okay, and then you will see that the meaning of masha is walk, and when it's past tense, so you add an ed, walked. Fihi, we had this before. In it. Okay, in it. Maybe. No, the lining is plural. He is singular. Absaram kullama adha'a lahum mashaw fihi. Kullama adha'a lahum. Maybe it goes back to the nur. The nur or the nar. Okay. But I'm not sure actually. I'm not sure. So I need to check. Wa idha? And when? Azlama. How do you know to make something?
The Azlama form is the Af'ala form.
Af'ala form. Okay, that's the next week punya tajuk. But good. To make something. To make something what? You got Okay, how do you hack this? Zalama. So for sure that Hamza is a prefix, right? It's a prefix. Past or present? Past. Past. Why not present? It can be present, right? Anita, right? Anita can be present. But one of the way or the shortcuts to look at it, when everything is Fatha, most probably it's past. Okay? Adlama. Adlama. Tadi zulum, zulumat. What's the meaning? Dark. Okay? Okay, dark. Darken. This en you get from the Hamza here. Make dark. Okay. Alayhim. Upon them. Upon them. Qamu. Stand. Okay, hack that.
Wawali means day.
They. Qama means stand. Stood. Okay, but sometimes you translate it's sort of, you can interchange it between present and past. In Allah. Walau sya Allah. Kalau if, yes, if. Will. InsyaAllah. InsyaAllah. Macam mana lagu dia? So past or present? Past because of no wanita at the back. La dhahaba. No, this is okay. This is fourth month when you have a lao and then you have a la. This is sort of macam related. Kalaulah maka. Kalaulah maka. Later when we translate you will see. La dhahaba. Dhahaba.
Take away.
Dah sampai. Sampai ada B. I haven't reached B. Dia dah sampai. Okay. Took away. Sam'ihim. Dia. Hearing. We hacked this before. Khatamallahu ala qulubihim wa ala sam'ihim. So this you don't translate because it clings to dhahaba. Wa absarihim, and their sight. Sight. Okay. Inna Allah ala kulli shay'in qadir. Indeed, Allah upon everything. Okay. So remember we said kullu is a rooted word. So when you look at the dictionary, you will find it means every or all, and shay'in thing. Okay, shay'in means thing. Yeah, correct. Able. So qadara is able. all able, something like that, very able, almost able. Okay, so the ya is the very, all.
So the dictionary meaning for qadara is able.
Dictionary
Is it?
can be measure, can be there are either the two main meanings, which are able and measure. Able and measure. This is an important word here because it is also related to qadar, takdir, and so on. Okay, so I would be inclined, but this one is not really language, this one is subjective. I would be inclined to translate qadir as all measuring. All measuring, that means Allah measures everything. All able is okay lah.
He said to have
Okay.
power over. So he has power all.
Yeah, that's able lah. All able. You can use both lah. Depends on how you say it. Okay, we have not really translated. We just go one simple one. Okay. Yakadul barqu yakhtafu absarahum. So the lightning almost struck their sight whenever the light illuminated for them, they walked in it. And when it darkens upon them, okay, they stand still. They stand still. Okay. We won't go into the
Exactly means.
yeah. We want the meanings, the literal meanings first. And if Allah wills, He would. So this la is like would. Okay. Maka. Okay. This one is not in your word hacker. Okay. This one later on you will get another big table. There will be a meaning for this. Maka Allah, if Allah wills, He would take away their hearing and their sight. Indeed, Allah
Upon everything.
is all able
Upon everything.
over everything. See that? Oof. We finished our second month.
Question.
Sure.
So when you say when Allah wills, is it Allah wills or Allah will?
If Allah wills. Here the form is past tense, but the meaning is declaration. It's a declarative past tense. You know, it's not an event past tense. Okay. So we are done with 20 verses. This is a miracle, man. Yeah. Okay. Any burning questions?
It's for class, right?
Oh, next week is the fifth week. Fifth week, no class. Yeah, for those who. And then the following week we will continue with verb hacking. Verb hacking. It is the most, if not one of the most important sessions. Okay, so see you on that week.